AI humans aren't just advanced technology, it's a revolution. Imagine creating your own Jarvis, but better, smarter, realistic, and completely under your control. You can effortlessly create a custom AI human or choose from dozens of pre-made templates to create an AI that listens, thinks, and talks in real time. Teach it everything you know. Feed it your expertise or any expertise from the internet in just seconds. Feed it books, websites, courses, or anything. And within seconds, your AI human will be an expert in any field you choose. Then let it handle the hard work from coaching and customer service to closing sales and streaming interactive presentations with human-like accuracy. All while you focus on what matters most or while chilling on the beach. Speak to anyone, anywhere. AI humans can talk fluently in any language, from English to Hindi, Spanish, French, and more, connecting with a global audience without breaking a sweat. It's like having a multilingual team working for you, but without the cost. Let your AI human conduct interviews, manage your teams, host meetings, and close sales live. It can provide unmatched customer support, handle private sales conversations, and allow you to keep 100% of the profit. Plus, it can host live interactive streams and engage with your audience. The sky's the limit. And it doesn't stop there. Your AI human adapts to your needs. Sell products, teach courses, entertain your audience, or scale your business. There's no limit to what it can do. And the best part? You don't need experience. No coding, no special skills. If you can click a button, you can create and stream your own AI human. Not just that, even if you don't have a business or don't want to start one, Human AI will still change your life. Because it comes with a free commercial license, it'll allow you to offer it as a service anywhere, like Fiverr or Freelancer, and keep 100% of the profit. And trust me, the demand is at an all-time high. Not just that, Human AI will even find you companies who are willing to rent your AI human to automate their work and pay you hourly for it. So you can sit back and profit while your AI human's out there working and paying you. Hey, my name is Sei, and on behalf of my team, I'm happy to introduce to you Human AI, world's first AI app that lets you create and stream hyper-intelligent AI humans that can listen, think, react, and talk with your audience in real time in any language with human-like accuracy. All with zero experience and zero upfront cost. Here, let me show you how easy it is to get started with Human AI. Step 1. Log in. Access the AI human's intuitive dashboard and start creating in seconds. No technical skills, no hassle. Step 2. Create. Choose from dozens of pre-made AI human templates. Customize it by teaching it everything you know. Upload content or let it learn directly from you. Step 3. Stream and engage. Put your AI human to work instantly. Stream live, have it close sales, host presentations, answer questions, or engage your audience in real time 24/7, all while you sit back and watch it deliver. Without paying monthly, without any upfront cost, without installing or configuring anything, without any limits or restrictions, and without paying for any APIs. It works for everyone and anyone, regardless of where you're from, what language you speak, or even your level of experience. All you need is just 3 simple steps. By now, I'm sure you're wondering how much this will cost you. I mean, it'll save you thousands of dollars a year while building a profitable business or freelancing gigs that will pay you money like this daily. So it'd be fair to charge you a minimum of $997 a month for it, but I can't do that. I was in Sarah's shoes, paying monthly for everything and getting little to no results. So I don't want anyone to suffer the same. And since I make more than enough money with Human AI, I don't need your money. All I ask you is to just cover the cost of the hosting by paying a small one-time fee, less than the price of a pizza pie. And you can have unlimited and unrestricted access to Human AI. Not just that, I'll even give you a free commercial license so you can use it in your business or your client's business or sell it on Fiverr, Upwork, or anything else. And to make the deal even easier, you're protected by my 30-day money-back guarantee. If you think that Human AI is not for you, just send us an email and we'll refund every penny you've paid. So what are you waiting for? Click on the link below before we reach our limit and close down Human AI forever. And pick up your copy now, and I'll see you on the